We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. Okay, actually there is not much changes. If we refer to our analysis in my last video, now want to see whether we can get any continuation from here or not. Okay, we want to see whether we can look at this as a flat to look for buy or not. But even we mentioned if there is a continuation as a corrective, mostly we cannot get a really good trade setup even if the price continue. Okay, and in this case we start with higher time frame based on daily chart. We mentioned we're looking for the continuation. Then if you get any trade setup, we can look for buy. Even we see the divergence, but we are not going to rely on that. We're looking for the continuation. And if we move to forward chart, this is the only thing is if we mention again continuation as a corrective, we need to be quite careful because either we can get the price can retest or we get the correction. Mostly we can expect the deeper correction for continuation similar to any of this. That's why if you want to look for buy, we need to be quite careful. The best thing is if we get the correction, then any trade from there we can look for buy. Okay, and even if we move to 1 hour chart, we don't have any proper trade setup unless we look for this. And if this one drop a bit more, at least can give us better trade setup. Anyway, if we get any buy setup either from here or even if we get any sharp move with the flag, we can look for continuation. We're looking for the continuation. The only thing is we want to see how we can trade it. And even if we move to 15 minute, can we put the look for this flat? All right, can we put this one in relative to this? This part is really corrective. That's why if we get any trade setup from here, we can trade it. And the best thing is if this one become a deeper, but we consider as a short term because what we want to get the sharp move and continuation. Okay, we're looking for the continuation. The only thing is how we can trade it. And we need to be quite careful. And if there is a continuation as a corrective move, this is even if we get the trade with this, I mean, we have to take this is, I mean, if we get continuation as what I explained here, then even if we get the trade setup, we should take with the trade. We shouldn't stay with the trade because this kind of the move, sharp continuation, even can continue any of them. Either give us a sharp move upside or the down move. Any of them can give us, but technically, mostly we can expect the down move. Okay, uh, that's why if we have any trade, as I explained within the continuation of the corrective, we need to be aware of this. Then we should know how to manage it. Okay, but right now if the price continue from here, either having entry above the stop or we wait for the sharp move flag. Rather than that, we don't have any other trade setup. But having entry above this is really risky because easily price can tag and reverse. That's why I mentioned if this one turns to a bit deeper correction can give us better trade setup. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. And now I want to see how we can look for buy. We're looking for buy. All right. Anyway, if I see any update, I will share. Thanks.